My name is Coach Doug Kersey and Construction here at Jesus Cardenas house in Monique, Illinois. We're replacing this shingle right here that's missing. Show you the repairability factor behind this. Okay, that one's already loose. Get these ones at the top. Okay. All right, so now get this one here. Okay. All right, so they're all loose. Now we have to get the nails out. So in order to get these nails out here for this shingle, I gotta pull them out from up here, right? So look, we haven't even started. Look at this, it's already cracking right here. You see this? We already have a crack formed right here. Go. Okay. If you look, we already have cracking on both of these shingles here. Before we've even attempted to repair, before we could even do anything, we were already cracking on these shingles. Now, there we go. Loosen that up. Look at this. Look at the cracking in these shingles. All over right here. This is all cracking already. We got a small crack here, but mainly it's already right here, all the way through the shingle. And we haven't even begun to put this shingle in yet. I'm using this color so you can see where the repair is on the roof. Okay, so now we have to still nail this in. You have the hammer? Thank you, sir. Yep. Look at this crack. Look at this. That's all cracked. This is not a repairable roof. This roof is entirely too brittle to do a proper repair on it. I mean, if you see this, I mean, this speaks for itself. This is not repairable by any means.